as well make your research on this very app. Okay, you can see the current users here. We have almost 579,458 people already registered on this very platform. Average users withdraw yesterday, we have 7.81 USDT, and the total earn is $396,229. Okay, you can see. Let's see. Let's take a crypto casino. Play now. Let's see how it works. Register with an account or log in through your existing Google or Twitter account with the click of a button. Endpoint. Endpoint by listening to music. You see all you need to do on this very platform. Listening to music, playing games, watching streams, taking quiz and survey. Very simple. Do all this and you keep earning on this very platform. Okay, let's see how do you withdraw. Exchange your point for cash via one PayPal. You can withdraw using your PayPal account if you do have a PayPal account. You can as well withdraw using a cryptocurrency. I will drop a video that shows how to take in a cryptocurrency wallet and others, or gift card cash out when you want. Okay, your favorite rewards. Why choose reward? You can go through all these and over $5 a day listening to music, watching stream and taking quiz. Okay, it's very simple. These are some of those things we do for free on other platforms. Okay, but you are asked to do it here and you get paid. Okay, exclusive earning method that are available worldwide. You see, fast payment, which is on Bitcoin, 247 support, withdraw starting at 2. The minimum withdrawal here is 2 USDT. The moment you clock in 2 USDT, you can start withdrawing. Okay, and there's also frequent giveaway on this very amazing platform. So let's go quickly and go through the registration process. Since we do not have an account yet, we're gonna go into click on create an account. Okay, we'll click on create an account. Agree service terms, so click on register here. If you click on register, you have to fill in all these places. Okay, if you fill in all these places, complete your captcha and go next. Complete your captcha here. See, the captcha has been ticked, and let's click on this box. After click on this box, you click on register. So at this very junction, you have to go to your email to verify your email. Okay, please input the 6-digit sent to your email. So we are going to my email now, and we're going to go into verify this account. So you can see I'm right here on my email. This is my email, and this is the code. Where is it? I'm opening the email right away, and this is the code 736868. Okay, I will now go back to that platform, rewarding platform, and verify my account. I'm verified my account. Okay, so the code is 736868. Let's go there.
You are the sun and I am the moon. When they meet, there's an eclipse. That is our love story.
736868. Okay, I'll click on verify. Your account has been verified successfully, redirecting you to the main page. Okay, my account has been verified now. So the next thing that we just need to do is to log in to my account. So to the glory of God, I have logged in to my account successfully. Okay, so now all you just need to do, take your eyes to the top right hand side of this very app, and you see my bonus there, which is currently 100 coin. Okay, you can see it here. So the next thing that you just need to do here, since you have successfully signed in, quickly jump into and start earning. Okay, how do we start earning? Now you watch. All you just need to do, click on this start earning. Okay, click on this start earning. You can see complete of our endpoint by completing tasks, playing games, participating in survey and more. Okay, You see, we have more to do here, unlimited. And this very second one says watch streams, watch your favorite Twitch streamers and get points. Those points, don't forget, they are converted to USDT and they can be withdrawn using PayPal or cryptocurrency wallets. Okay, in this place, you see, all you just need to do here is to listen to music and gain over 1584 coins that can be converted to USDT. And this one says just watch a clip. All you just need to do here is just watch a clip and get paid. Okay, and this one says Flappy Bird, show off your skills in the Flappy Bird game and win points. What you can win here is 6,000 points daily. Okay, so you can go through it and enjoy yourself doing all this. And one of the most fascinating thing about this place again is that in this platform massive cash can be earned. In this platform, withdrawal can be made. In this platform, a lot can be made in this very platform. Okay, so this brings us to the end of this very video. I will see you in my next video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. If you have not liked my video as well, please do. And if you have not shared my video, please do share so that we can get to a lot of people. Okay, so thank you so much for being with me. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.